Hello, dear students. Today we process our lecture about matter. We remember this slide. We talked about this, and next we talked about movement and development. It's very important because a special kind of moment, change and development. Development is quite and quality change of object and its state. Typical scene of development focus regularity and irritability. Social evolution theory. The types of development of social society carried or out gradually slow from simple to the complex, from traditional to rational. Development of society carried out by a jump from one quality of fortunes to another. It's not very good for us. Next, we talked about space and time and as form of experience of the world. Space is a form of being of matter, characterized their light's structure and international of elements, victim, matter, object, and of object next to each other. Space properties. 3. Determinate symmetry, irreversibility. Time is form of being of matter, characterize the duration of the existence of material object or their sequence of change and the change in the state of object in the process of development. Time properties. 1. Dimensional ability. By the concept of space and time, many very important scientists talked about this concept. We saw two scientists, is Newton and Einstein. Newton say about substantial considers space and time as independent substance of moving matter of each other. Einstein said about rational denies the existence of space and time as evidence of substance, or considers them forms of exceeders of moving matter. Space attributes. Intentional individuals of the presence of a certain location of volume, material information, or in space. Informality indicates their equality of all points in space. 3. Demonstrative indicates the space has 3 determination: height, light, and width. Isotopy indicate the equality of a possible direction in the space. Time attributes. Duration, formally. Duration indicates the stability time to reflect the duration of the object, the sequence of changing state and the place of the process. Informality indicates the equality of all points in the time. One indicates this time has only one dimension. And the last, irreversibility indicates this time has only one direction. And you understand this theme. If you don't understand, or you have some question, you may ask with your teacher, because it's a very important theme for philosophy, and we talk about this, and we may solve a question for express control, and this question for us. If you understand this question, if you think it's very easy for you and you understand what is it, we talked about this question in our lecture, because we talked about what is soul. You may you understand this because we talked about René Descartes. Is very important scientist and philosophy in France. This people talked about. We have two studies. It's the soul and body, and we talked about what is change, what is time, what space, we talked about in this lecture. And if you understand, or if you have more question, or you need some interesting information, but we don't talked about it, you may read this book, because this book help you understanding more information in this theme, because now we have not enough time talk about it, and you may understand it. Thank you very much, and goodbye.